Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to find the value of this expression. Please subscribe our channel. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 under radical. So as we know, when we have more than one addition in one subtraction in one expression, we have to solve from left to right. So we can solve this expression in this way. 2 plus 2 gives us 4. 4 plus 2 gives us 6. And 6 plus 2 gives us 8. Now we can write this expression like this: radical 8. So we can simplify this 8 in this way. 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. 4 divided by 2 gives us 2. And 2 divided by 2 gives us 1. We have 1, 2, 3. 3, 2 in this expression. And we can write this expression like this: 2 power of 3. So this expression is equals to radical 2 power of 3. So we can simplify this 2 power of 2 power of 3. Radical 2 power of 2 times 2 power of 1. 2 plus 1 gives us this 3, and we have 1, 2 here. So we can simplify this 2 with this 2 and bring out this 2. So we can simplify this 2 with this 2 and 2 comes out. So we have 2 radical and this 2 power of 1. So the final answer is 2 radical 2. Thank you for watching.